Hey guys, Sam here from keycommerce.com, and today I want to show you a new feature in Google Merchant Center called Price Competitiveness. Maybe you've heard about this before. Well, we're going to explore this today. So you're going to log into your Google Merchant Center dashboard here. We're going to go to the growth menu item, then go down to Price Competitiveness. So what this does, it basically lets you see a lot of data about how your ads perform compared to all the other advertisers on Google Shopping. Right now the default is set to category, but I want to look at it on a product basis. It's going to provide some really useful insights. Now, it's not going to provide insights for every single product you're advertising on Google Shopping, but it will provide a lot of the products on there that are being shown by other advertisers. Oh, there's an error, maybe that's because it's a new feature. But yeah, so we have these 3 products being advertised on Google Shopping right now. And for example, for this one here, it's saying that the benchmark price is $19.48. So what that looks like is that other sellers are potentially selling the same product, and this is telling us what sort of difference our product is. So our product is 2.5% cheaper than in the past, and it also tells us the historical, so over time how have we placed in the market with our pricing. This is really interesting, and it depends on your area and how long you've been advertising, but you might see a lot more juicy data here in this feature here for price competitiveness. I recommend checking out, for example, brands, and checking out all the other brands that are in there, and that's what this account here doesn't have as many. It's not as competitive in this niche, but for other ones, yeah, there's a ton of information there. So I really recommend checking this out and getting some more data about how your products are performing. I do also recommend checking out the best sellers. I've got another video where I go through that as well. I'll leave a link in the description, so please check that out. Apart from that, if you have any comments or questions about this video, please leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer those questions as soon as I can. If you did find this useful, please like it and check out the rest of the videos on my channel where you can learn more about e-commerce marketing, Google Shopping campaigns, Facebook campaigns, email marketing, and how to run your store, the operations, hiring, and all that stuff there. I teach everything all on my channel, all free, and you can access it all and watch it here. So please check that out. Apart from that, I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now, guys.